Hi, my natural beauties. If you would like to see how I turn these old, used, burnt down candles from this to these beautiful Christmas wax melts for your wax warmer, keep on watching. So you guys, I seen another YouTuber do this and I thought it would be cool to do it myself with all my old candles, even though I only have like literally 4 of them right now that I hadn't tossed because I wanted the last little bit of those smells because they actually smell pretty good. But she used the Christmas ice trays from Dollar Tree. Let me hold it up, I'm too close. So the Christmas ice trays from Dollar Tree, and she turned them into wax melts to put in the warmers. So I'm gonna melt these candles and put it in the warmer, you guys. But it's gonna be like Christmas design. So I'm super excited to see how this turns out. So here's the candles I got. This is the Mr. candle right here. Of course, y'all know this infamous black teak wood. And then this one is the mahogany teak wood. And then this one is the eucalyptus mint. And then we have this one from, let me get back so y'all can see, from, I think it was Dollar General. And then this is what it is. I think it's True Living. Then it had 3 different flavors. And for some reason it burned to where it burned on the side. So I'm going to pull all these into here. I only bought 1, which I should have bought 2. Come to think of it, I really honestly should have bought 2. But it's cool. We'll do 2 tonight and then 2 tomorrow. Yo, it's boiling. It's melted. I'm about to pull them out. Smells so darn good. Okay, you guys, this is the outcome of this one. We're just going to wait on it to dry. You see the little stuff that I waste on the round it? I'm honestly just going to put it back in here. Like the stuff I waste right here, I just waited till it dry and scraped it back in here. And I'm going to melt it tomorrow and make some more. I realized I had another mahogany teak wood candle that still have a little bit left in there. So I'm going to melt both of these together and mix them together just like I mixed this one, this mahogany teak wood. Y'all, honestly, this one smells so good. It's got the house smelling great right now. This one and this one. But this thing, it had a little throw, but not a whole lot. So with me mixing them all together, it should smell pretty good. But I should have definitely got 2. Didn't realize that one of these things that with the leftover was going to fill it up. So once this all dry, you see it's drying really quick. Once it get all dry, I will come back tomorrow and do the rest of them. I probably even go to Dollar Tree and get another one. But the stuff at the bottom of this thing is the glue from the wick sticks. Let me show y'all the wick sticks. This is the wick sticks I took out. That's all that is, just the glue from that. But yeah, thanks for the idea. I definitely am excited because I was wondering what I was going to do was try to make a whole candle, because I seen somebody make a whole candle with using the little leftover. So I was collecting the ones from the mister and collecting the ones for myself. But now I could just put them in the candle warmer and call it a day. Perfect. Yeah, they turned out so nice. Look at them. And they smell so good. Can't wait to put them on a wax warmer. Now I put the little chips that was on the outside of here, put most of it back in there, and we'll finish this up tomorrow morning. But they look so nice. I probably go to Dollar Tree and get another one of these. Looks so nice, y'all. Smells so daggone good too. Yeah. Okay, you guys, this is the finish. I'm letting those last 6 dry, but this is the ones on the left right here. The cream looking ones is from the misters, and then the brown looking ones is the mixture of this one and this one. And the rest is the mahogany teak wood and the black teak wood. That's these. And I just mixed the eucalyptus mint and this coconut vanilla sugar one. I mixed it all together, and that's how I got these. Here is the finish of all my wax melts. Here's the box, you guys. Came from Walmart. I think it was like 15 bucks. Here's my wax warmer, you guys. I got it from Walmart. This just has the, bright. It's a light in there, an actual light bulb. Let me turn it off so y'all can see. Actual light. It's got a little switch right here. And that turns it on. And we're just gonna add a couple of, I like the way, which ones I like to smell better. Since we got the most of these, I'll add a couple of these. We just put 2 for right now. And this is what it looks like. I might add a 3rd one and let it just burn the rest of the night. There we go. So thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if this is your first time watching. Hey girl, hey. We would love for you to stay. Hit that subscribe button and post a notification bell right next to it. You guys, they melted and it smells so good. So good. Thanks for watching again. Bye.